The first thing you should do is research your destination. Did you know the U.S. government has a checklist to help you plan for foreign travel? This checklist is available to you on the travel.state.gov website. Do you know what documents you need for your destination? Are you going to need a special visa or vaccination? What about insurance, medical or trip insurance? Did you know your medical insurance may not cover you if you're outside of the U.S., or that you may have limited coverage? If you do have an emergency, what about if you have to evacuate? Many trip insurance policies have this, but you need to check on yours and see what level it is. You're also advised to enroll in the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, otherwise known as STEP. STEP is a free service provided by the U.S. government that allows U.S. citizens traveling abroad to register their trip with the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. By enrolling in this program, you receive important information from the embassy about safety conditions in your destination country. My last tip is to split up your money. Put it in multiple locations. If you do get pickpocketed, they don't get everything. You also want to make a copy of your passport page. Take a picture of it so that if something does happen, go to your embassy or the consulate and they can help you. In conclusion, just be safe when you travel, whether it's with other people or by yourself, and have a great time. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and if you have any other tips of your own, please add them to the comments.